This video is about an overview on the big data and artificial intelligence in cloud computing. In this particular research, we are mainly concerned about the opportunity and challenges of big data and artificial intelligence implementation in cloud computing. Before proceeding, let us first understand what these terms means. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is defined as one of the emerging trend of distributed computing, which reduces the requirements on users' devices, offers accessibility to a wide range of resources and services. The main goal of cloud computation is to optimize the distributed resources, achieve higher throughput by combining resources and capable to handle large-scale computation requirement. The end users are hide from the complexity of how cloud computing handles the computation, software, storage service and data access. Next, big data. We are living in the digitalization era where huge amount data is generated per day. Big data refers to these huge amount of digital data from different sources. The characteristics of big data are defined by 5V, which are volume, velocity, variety, veracity and value. Lastly, artificial intelligence. Pretty sure you have seen robots in social media. Artificial intelligence is a technology that is expected to mimic human intelligences in performing tasks and solve problems. It won't be surprising that the artificial intelligence may someday perform tasks to even surpass human intelligence. Moving on to the opportunities that big data and artificial intelligence offers in cloud computing. First, improve business and increase profitability. Both big data and AI have shown the potential in increasing the productivity of a business. Take an example of online shopping. Almost every day there are thousands and millions review about products or services. Big data stores the information from different data sources, but it is meaningless without data analytics. That is where AI comes in. Machine learning algorithm or other AI tools are applied to analyze the data and produce an insight to the users. The insights can be a chart or statistics which is useful for business owner. Besides, product recommendation can be done to increase the buying power from customers. Of course, all can be accomplished with the combination of big data and AI. Second, cloud service infrastructure. Big data contributes in the introduction of new computing paradigm for delivering computation as the fifth utility. This introduces features such as elasticity, pooled resources, on-demand access, self-service and pay-as-you-go. Thus, cloud computing has these few services which are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service. Next, helps in managing resources in cloud computing. While deploying cloud services, it is a challenge to manage and allocate resources to multiple clients. Different clients have different usages in the service. Some may require intensive computation power, while some may not fully utilize the service. AI algorithm and tools are deployed to manage these resources efficiently, while big data and AI offers many opportunities. There are a few challenges that have been identified. First, data security. Security is the major concern when integrating big data analytics with cloud computing. One of the security vulnerability in big data cloud is known as platform heterogeneity. Usually new platform is required when deploying big data in cloud. Such configuration might result in incompatible version of existing security tools. Thus, this is quite challenging to ensure the confidentiality, integrity and availability (CIA) of the data. Besides, some companies used AI to observe their employees' behavior during work, which violates human privacy rights. This falls under data privacy challenge. Next, data storage and transmission. We know that big data refer to huge amount of data. It is challenging to store and manage these tremendous amount of data. Besides, big data consists of structured and unstructured data. Metadata can be generated to describe a big data, but to automate the metadata generation is challenging due to the huge amount of unstructured data. It is also a challenge to transmit huge chunk of data in a short duration. Social problem. although it is not directly related to cloud computing, but this challenge is highlighted in most of the AI researches. With the combination of big data and AI, the accuracy of the algorithm and AI tools are getting more advances. For instances, the development of fatal autonomous weapons may invoke wars. The combination of robotics with AI has replaced many job opportunities will lead to unemployment rate increased. How to address these challenges? Enhance security. Since security are the main concern, researchers propose authenticator-based data integrity verification techniques on cloud and IaaS data. Some researchers also proposed security framework that utilizing SSL and public key cryptography to enhance the securing big data. Data replication and compression. Big data has to be available at all times. But what if the servers or physical storage goes down? One of the common way to provide cloud services with high fault tolerance is via data replication. This creates a backup at all times in case of hardware failures. Besides, transmission speed can be improved if the data is compressed before transmission. Lastly, data analysis. The combination of AI and big data is extremely powerful, especially handling these huge amount of data. Filtering and data cleaning can be done without human intervention. Of course, this would require researchers to develop a powerful AI algorithm to analyze the data efficiently without affecting security risk. Conclusion. These technologies are still fairly new. Many researches are still needed to address the open challenges. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.